Hi everybody, today I want to show you this AutoFull M6 gaming chair that I just got. So I'm going to open it up and put it together and we'll talk about all the benefits. And look at this. And to show you how powerful and to show you how good the fan is, I'm gonna turn it on. I have some feathers over here to show you. They're not gonna blow up. They're not going to just blow out, but it's going to show you the movement so that you can see that it is a decent size fan. So right here. Again. It has 3 levels right there. And this is the heating element. And I don't have a way to show you that, but it also has 3 levels. Now it moves to, like if you want it in the inside like this or outside. But this is supposed to lift some. Oh, I think there's a here. Right, there you go.
How do you do it?
Push it.
Oh, push it in.
So, I guess. Oh, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. And you can raise them or lower them. Right there, the control. And oh, this was probably no. Oh, it's for this.
The lever, oh, it automatically pushes it up.
Yeah. So it locks it in place.
Oh, that's cool.
And then you can tilt. And the leather is really cool. Did you see the design in the back?
Oh shit, it's embroidered.
And look at here, too. It has it right here too.
That's cool. That pillow is soft too.
Yeah.
And it's got like a proper head material, not like another leather.
Yeah, let me just. And it has a pocket in the back, see?
Oh, that's cool.
And then these are to make it hot or cold. You connect it to the USB, which was back there somewhere. Click, put this into a power pack, and then you can control it hot or cold right here on the buttons.
That's cool.
And you can actually just put it right here in the pocket. Oh, I think it goes all the way down.
Oh, nice.
So, yeah, you can go as low as you want to.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah, you can lock it at any of those positions, so you can even play like this.
Nice. Mine only went down or up.
So, yeah. I think this is pretty cool.
Yeah, I like that. Because that helps out when I'm playing.
Yeah.
So I don't have to keep them rested on the desk.
Yeah, and normally you would play like this anyway, so right here. And then you can tilt it as close as you want to. Right there is perfect. Oh, right here. That's it. Yep, there you go. So, Now you can put this one's closer. I just adjusted it to the furthest out,
Oh, okay.
but you can unscrew it and then just push them in and then screw it back on. So you can make it tighter on you. Yeah, and then when you adjust the lumbar, you can make it so you're further back in. But I like this thing that you can,
Or it just springs it out.
yeah, right here. And then you can lock it. You can lock it there so you can lay like this. Oh, you can lock it at any position. See? So I can lock it fully, halfway, like a quarter, all the way in. That's really cool. So, is this is your new chair? So I guess it became his chair. So I hope that you guys find it as useful, as stylish, and as comfortable as I am, or as he will.